shutdown for the government is 14 days, and that's Bank of America doing that, going back to 1900. They also did this.
Jesus Christ, what is going on?
Program. Hey.
Last year, Pepsi put that to the test for tens of thousands of people across the country in a revival of the iconic Pepsi Challenge. And the results were clear. 66% of people preferred the taste of Pepsi Zero Sugar over Coke Zero Sugar. That's the idea behind the Pepsi paradox, that when labels and bias disappear, people prefer the taste of Pepsi Zero Sugar. It really makes you wonder, are you choosing the Zero Sugar cola that you actually prefer, or are you settling for the label that you think you prefer?
Garmin, safe.
Molly on the shore. It's my personal ranger.
God, a couple of more cars can go.
Because the worst thing you can do is paint bricks. Why anybody would want to paint bricks? Are you a moron?
What the freak?
That would have announced earthquakes, natural disasters, and the fall of the Challenger. For more than 2 decades, there was still no.
Because can you imagine what would have happened to that guy's car if I would have come around the turn like most people do, like a bat out of hell? Morons, they live among us.
Allegedly in the fall.
And made enough effort to don't do it. Idiot!
Ocho. Yeah. So, cool. I'll speak to her about it. Thank you. Thank you. God dang it.
Oh my God! What the? Holy!
Have you noticed the hype around
Retards!
by social media?
Damn!
Oh, you can get retinol in a body wash?
loser! You drunk? What the hell?
Medium well, so they'll be dripping in with juice. You know, I could do that. I could do it. Yeah, you want to cut over in front of you. You want to try. Want to try. Really?